Within 24 hours, something really big is going to be happening in the crypto market. And this is going to literally directly affect every single cryptocurrency, especially if you hold Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, any altcoin for that matter. I mean, let's go ahead and actually zoom out of the charts. Let me take off some of these indicators so you guys can actually see what's happening. So we're literally just going to take a look at Bitcoin. I mean, literally the last day has been a bloodbath. The last couple of days, cryptos had recovered because cryptos crashed last weekend and then they started to go up. And literally since then, they've gone down and they've just been crashing and pumping. Look at this. Bitcoin, just Bitcoin alone has gone down 4%. Look at Ethereum, even crazier, from the top to the bottom today, about 5%. So cryptocurrencies today have seen a significant crash. It's literally been a bloodbath in the streets and in the crypto market today. I mean, look at this. Shiba Inu from just the other day is down 10%. I mean, Dogecoin is down. Dogecoin's back to 12 cents again. I mean, guys, this is crazy. What the heck is happening? Well, you are at the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what's happening, where we are headed, and why you should not panic, why it's actually okay. So if you love cryptocurrency videos like this that actually tell you the truth, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and below the comment sections, guys. Let me know what you think about this video, things that you would like to hear me say in the future, talk about. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. I do read your comments. So literally getting directly into the video. Cryptocurrencies in the next 24 hours are going to be seeing a very big move. And as we see today, everything, of course, is red. Nothing is pretty. Nothing at all is pretty. And US stocks finish higher ahead of the Fed meeting. So tomorrow, there's going to be a Fed meeting where Jerome Powell is going to be talking about the balance sheet and most likely raising interest rates. This is going to directly affect everything in the country tomorrow. There's going to be a lot of volatility before, during, and after this Fed meeting. There is a lot of tension on the line here, and that is what is causing a lot of fear and panic. That's why we are seeing crashes in the crypto market. That's why Dogecoin is crashing. That's why all these altcoins are crashing, because of literal fear. People are fearing and panicking. And I personally think that all of the fear and potential worst things that could happen tomorrow in the meeting has already been priced in, which means that the drop has already happened based on what's going to be happening or said tomorrow, no matter what. So that most likely actually means that we'll probably start to see a bounce. As we see in this article, stocks are going up. Cryptos have literally recovered ever since the stock market has closed today. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. We're starting to see a little bit of a bounce. I personally think there is going to be a short-lived bounce, at least in the next 24-hour period. Not a little 1% bounce, but a pretty significant move. A strong relief rally, but we need to be very careful, because if we zoom out, let me show you just the Ethereum chart. Ethereum has been in a perpetual downtrend, literally all the way since the 4th of April. We've gone down, guys. Look at this. Look at this downtrend, guys. If we have, yes, we've had green days, right? But there's always pumps. There's always green in the midst of red, even in a strong downtrend. Ethereum is in a downtrend, ladies and gentlemen, and this train is not stopping anytime soon, but could certainly be stopped tomorrow. Tomorrow could actually stop it. We will have to see. Also, the inflation reading report, the CPI reading about the 10th of this month, next week, should be about next week, will probably change us out of a downtrend as well, because there's a very high record inflation that always pumps up cryptos for a few days. So Ethereum and cryptos, altcoins are in a strong downtrend, but we are waiting for some type of an event to stop this downtrend so we can actually go up. But what I actually do in my Patreon, I mean, guys, this is a 1 hour chart, so this shows a whole 1 month period. What I do in my Patreon is that the opportunities that we see by looking at the charts, we can see when things are going to bounce up based off support levels, things when they're going to go down. So in my Patreon, I put buy and sell alerts for all different types of cryptocurrencies when these bounces happen. Because look, you have a downtrend, right? But in the midst of a downtrend, there is a bounce, there is a recovery, and that is a significant bounce. I mean, look at that. That's a 5% bounce there. Look at this crash here. This crash here, look, that's a 10% bounce. So guys, there's plays that we make all the time. Even when the market is bearish, you can join the Patreon at MYLESGinvestments.com or patreon.com/MYLESGinvestments, where you can also literally learn technical analysis. I teach you all of my secrets in the Patreon, so you can know when to buy and to sell, literally, so you don't have to lean upon anybody for financial advice, especially in crypto investing. That course is at MYLESGinvestments.com. It is 66% off right now. Highly recommend it. So we are seeing cryptos in a downtrend. We are waiting for that event to finally put cryptos back into a bull trend, a bullish market, right? So what is going to be needed is we are going to have to bounce, and we're gonna have to break outside of the pattern, which could literally happen at any second. And in my other channel, I talk about directly Bitcoin, because Bitcoin moves the entire market. If you really want to see like true crypto market updates and deep technical analysis, check out my other channel, MYLESG Trading. The link for that will be in my video description. But even though cryptos are in a downtrend, if we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is forming this very bullish pattern, and we are getting very close to the apex, which tomorrow or the next couple of days, we will be actually breaking outside of it. So it's going to be bullish or bearish. This is going to be determining if Bitcoin breaks out of this. Depending on how it breaks out of it, we'll be determining in the next couple of days if we are going to be entering back into a bull or bearish market. And of course, I always like to dive in to take a look at the heat map to see where the liquidity is at, see what the whales are doing with my book map. This is an application like TradingView, but it's called Book Map, where you can literally see all the buy orders, what the whales are doing. And what we are seeing, guys, is there is a lot of volatility. There is a lot of buy orders. There's a lot of sell orders indicated by the red. The redder these lines here, the more liquidity, the more buy orders, sell orders are on these specific levels. So what we are seeing is we're seeing a lot of liquidity in the lower regions of the Bitcoin chart. And it's going to be literally the same for any other cryptocurrency. We're seeing these lower regions filled with orders, and that is signaling to us that people are trying to buy this, that people are trying to get in, because they realize there's not much resistance up top. They realize cryptos are going to be headed up in the next couple of days, probably tonight, in the next couple of hours. So it's going to be very interesting to watch all of this volatility play out in the next couple of days. And if you want to be able to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account, the link in my video description. You will be able to invest in trading cryptocurrencies literally tax-free. Highly check it out. If you fund an account using my link below, it will give you a pretty awesome sign-up bonus in Bitcoin. Definitely check it out. So that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you check out my new channel, check out the Patreon, check out my new website where you can get access to my course, my buy alerts. You can even sign up for a consultation with me, a one-on-one consultation for an hour, where I can teach you personally by myself, technical analysis, go over your portfolio, whatever you want to talk about. If you want to set up that video call with me, go ahead and do that on my website. And I will see you all later. Have a great night.